What's going on? My name is Angel. Welcome back to another video. And today we are going, I am going to show you how to get out of the door lock. I mean like this door right here. Like this little door lock thing that, see, you can push it like this. I have it because of Avery. So yeah, but I have another camera. I have my iPad right there, recording the outside, and I have my phone recording the inside. So let's go in my room, and I will show you how. You may wonder, like, what do you mean how? So what if, like, this happened? See, if you close it like that, you can't. That's the whole point. But this happened to me sometimes. The lock was still in like lock mode, and I would accidentally close the door. So then I can't go in. I can't get out. So I figured out how to do it. So what you do, you just push as hard as you can, and it actually, like, okay, this is not fake, okay? This is not fake right here. See? Boom, I did it, and y'all can see that on the outside also. So, yeah, it just works. But if you, and I'm not strong, so y'all could probably do it also. Okay, look. Okay, see. Come on. See, it moved. So, all right, but if you can't do that, then get under here. Like, get under here on the crack if you have one. So you put your mouth like this, okay? It may be a little germy, but do you want to be out of your room? So you yell like, ah! and they have to hear you. So, but for me, I just have to push hard and then get out. So I don't know why I made this video. I was curious. I bet none of y'all subscribers that subscribe to me have that. But if y'all do, please tell me. I would really like that. So I guess I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Hold on, let me press the red button at the same time.